We are at Huntington Lake, and the lake is full of ice. What are you doing, Eddie? The snowman? Ah!
I'm just trying to catch the misty.
Ah! Where's little Larry at? There he is. That's the lake over there. Clouds are going to come in. It looks like it's getting ready to snow in a little while.
Huh? Where?
Whoa! What happened? You fall down?
What?
You just fell down. Your leg?
No,
There, so you're okay. Come on.
huh?
You're okay. What happened, Larry? Yeah?